How to apply bullets in your MS Word document. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add bullet points into your MS Word document. So as here you can see, I have this sample document right here, and in this video we will be covering how you can add bullet points into this document. So let's say we want to determine these 3 points in bullet points. So using the bullet points, we will be able to easily distinguish that these three are a separate points. So let me show you how to add bullet points here. So in order to add bullets into these 3 points, you will need to go to the home tab, and under the home tab you can see these options. So if you will hover your cursor over to these, you can see that these are the bullet points. Using this you can create a bulleted list. So in order to add bullet points, you can simply click onto this option, and here you can see that a default bullet point has been successfully added to this particular line. You can repeat the same as well, or select them if you want and then click onto this option, and here you can see that these 2 points are also now in bullet points. Now in order, if you want to change the bullet points, you can simply reselect them again and then click onto this drop down arrow on the bullets button, and from here you can choose different types of bullet points. So for example, let's say this one, and here you can see that the bullet points has been successfully changed. Apart from that, you also have some more bullet points. So using this you can easily change and determine the bullet points that you want to use. So that was all for this particular tutorial. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, do make sure to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.